Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the plan view that shows the level you want to change. Select the Modify tool, click the level line to highlight it. Once selected, look at the Properties palette so you can see name, elevation, and current type. This matters because symbol behavior follows the type. If you need a new type, you can duplicate now, otherwise continue. Make sure the level is not pinned, and confirm you're in the correct linked model or host project before proceeding. Once you have the level selected, click Edit Type to open Type Properties. In the Type Properties dialog, locate the level head or type mark parameter under Graphics. This points to the family that draws the symbol. Change it by selecting a different family type from the drop-down, or click Load to bring in a new level head family from File. Apply the change. Notice it updates all levels of that type, so you control consistency. If you wanted only one instance, duplicate the type first and edit the duplicate. To finish, check the updated symbol in Plan, Elevation, and Section views so alignment and text positioning are correct. Make sure View Scale and Annotation Crop don't hide the head. If the symbol looks missing, reload the family and verify its annotation category. Once done, save a project backup. If an unwanted global change occurred, undo and use Duplicate Type to create a unique type for that level. That single troubleshooting tip prevents accidental changes across many levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.